Today I'm actually going to be using just one eyeshadow palette, surprisingly. I'm going to be using my Morphe 3503 palette. The first thing I'm going to do is apply my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 5, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. To blend the concealer out some more, I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and blend it out some more. I'm going to use this orange shade right here for my transition color. I'm just putting that above my eyelid crease. The next shade I'm going to be using is this warm brown shade right here. I'm going to drag it out to the outer corner and back into the inner corner. Using a smaller eyeshadow brush that's still a little wet, I'm using that same warm brown color and applying it in the middle, dragging it out to the outer corner, back into the inner corner. I'm going to use this brush that I used for my transition color, that orange I used, and I'm going to blend out to these two colors. To blend out these two colors even more, I'm taking this brush. This brush is from Ulta. You guys just have to play with the colors. I'm gonna go back in to that dark brown, well, that warm brown, and pack the color back on, because every time you blend out the two shades, the color disappears a little bit. So you just have to keep playing with the two colors until you get the desired look you're going for. Next, I'm using this eyeliner from e.l.f. It's their Expert Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. And I'm just going to line my lash line. The lashes I'm going to be wearing today, they're by Tati Lashes in the style TL6. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to blot my face. I already used this in the very beginning, but I'm just going to put on some more because my skin is getting oily again. I am using my NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Walnut. I've been using this foundation ever since I got it, honestly, and it's almost out. I really like this foundation. I'm going to put a little bit under my neck because I have a few dark spots from bumps I got under my neck. I don't know what's going on, why my neck is breaking out. My neck never breaks out. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I haven't used this concealer shade in a long time, and I just wanted to try it again, so I bought some more. I don't really remember how well this worked. This shade worked for me. Blend out my concealer, I'm using my Real Technique sponge. I just washed this sponge, so it is a little damp. I'm taking a small concealer brush to blend out like the corners of this concealer around my temple area, and I'm just gonna make this look flawless. The setting powder I'm using today is my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Actually, it's called loose powder, not setting powder. I'm using that in the shade Deep, and I'm using my Real Technique sponge again to set the concealer underneath my eyes, my forehead, under my nose, and on my chin. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Milani pressed powder in the shade Earth Glow. I want my face to look bronzy today because I think that's going to look so good with my brown smoky eyes. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer, and I'm just taking this angled Morphe brush. This is the E4 brush, and I'm going to bronze up my face. So this is going to go right where my cheekbones are. Whatever's left on this brush, I'm just going to use it to put around my nose. Going back into my Morphe 3503 palette, I'm going to use this orange shade right here, and I'm going to put some on my cheeks. This is going to be my blush. I just like how orange looks on my skin tone. The other day I put this orange shade on my cheeks, and I really liked how it looked. It just gave me a really warm look, and that's what I'm looking for. Not sure if you guys will be able to tell on camera. Just warms up my face. I'm using black eyeshadow to line my waterline, and then I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm using my NYX Lip Liner in the shade Espresso to line my lips. Now I'm applying this lip gloss from e.l.f. It's in the shade Wild Rose. I'm using my Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Moon Glow. Ooh, I think we're done, honey. That was quick. Here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.